Tuscaloosa, Alabama. You know what we got? We got Pips white bread and ice cold beer. He was eating so hard they didn't even stare. And that boy was ugly too. Said the waitress reminded him of someone who was far, far away. Took another white pill, another long day. Everybody now. UFOs and big rigs, they come from outer space. Stopping off at the truck stop Earth, looking for some food to eat. You can't get no bleeding wieners out past the great unknown. Yeah, UFOs and big rigs spur from home. Come on, boys. I think I see Mr. Spock over there. Hey. And that space alien said something that was music to my truck driving, carbuncle butted ears, let me tell ya. Well, out past Mars